Good morning, children. As we have done our chapter number 4, plants around us, so today we are going to recapitulate this chapter. So, we'll start from our first topic, that is parts of a plant. So, here we'll see plants are fixed to the ground. We can see some parts of a plant that grow above the ground. We cannot see those parts which grow under the ground. Okay, so let's see parts of a plant. First, roots. So roots grow under the ground, and what they do, they hold the plant to the ground. They absorb water and other nutrients from the soil. Here the work of roots is roots absorb water and other nutrients from the soil. After that, the water travels through the stem and the branches to the leaves. So up to last means up to leaves, water travels from roots. Next is leaves. Leaves are mostly green in color, and what they do, they make food for the plant by using water and sunlight. See, here question is, how do leaves make food for plants? So how they make, like roots, they are absorbing water and other nutrients, and after that, that water is traveling to the leaves. So leaves are getting water from roots, and then they are getting proper amount of sunlight. With the help of water and sunlight, leaves make food for the plant. Okay, next is flowers. So flowers are colorful and they give out a sweet scent. Sweet scent means sweet smell or fragrance. They produce fruits and seeds. Okay, next is fruits. Fruits are the fleshy part of the plant. Now, some fruits have seeds inside them. These seeds grow into a new plant if they receive the right amount of air, water and sunlight. Okay. See, here in discuss, the question is, green leaves cannot make food at night. Why? See, as we all know that leaves are mostly green in color. They make food for the plants using water and sunlight. So at night, if they will not receive sunlight, how they will make food, right? So the reason is, if green leaves, they will not receive proper amount of sunlight, they can't make food for the plant. See here, roots, stems, these are the branches, and then leaves, flowers, fruit, seed. Okay. Our next topic is types of plants. So here we have 5 types of plants. First, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So let's talk about trees. See, trees are big and they have hard and strong stems. And this stem, hard and strong stem, is called trunk. Okay. Example, mango tree, peepal tree, coconut tree, or fir tree. Next, shrubs. What are the shrubs? So shrubs are smaller than tree. They also have woody stems, but they have weak stems in the comparison of trees. Okay. They grow close to the ground. For example, a rose plant, a tulsi plant, a hibiscus plant, a tea plant. Next, herbs. Herbs are very small plants with soft green stems. For example, coriander plant, a mint plant, a spinach plant, grass. Now, let's talk about creepers and climbers. So first thing, what are the creepers? See, some plants have weak stem and cannot stand straight. They are of two types. Those which grow along the ground are called creepers. Means some plants which have weak stem and they cannot stand straight. They just grow along the ground. So they are called creepers. Example, pumpkin plant, melon plant. Here, pumpkin plant and melon plant. They just grow along the ground. About climbers, some plants which grow upward using other plants, sticks and walls for support are called climbers, such as grapevine and money plant. See, what climbers do, as they have weak and green stem, right? So they can't stand straight by themselves, so they take support from others, like from plants, from any stakes or any walls. They take support and then they grow upwards to the wall or stick from whatever they are taking support. Okay, example, a grapevine, a money plant. Now, some plants also grow in water, like a lotus plant, a water lily plant, and a water hyacinth plant. Now, protecting the plants. See, in protecting the plants, first we'll talk about what we get from the plants. So as in our previous video only we have done that we get so many things from plants, like vegetables, fruits, grains, wood, leaves, flowers, right? And medicines also, like we make medicines from different from flowers or any seed, right? So these kind of things we get from plants. Now, most important thing, that if we are getting so much thing from plants, that should we cut to our plants or not? So we should not cut the plants. See, we need plants in many ways, but a lot of plants are being cut. It is because we are using more and more land for growing food or for building houses and factories. Some of the ways by which we can help in protecting trees are listed below. So, first thing, as so many peoples they are cutting whole forest or so many trees for making any house, they for building any house or any factory, they cut the whole forest or so many trees, like. So as a child, what we can do to protect our plants? See, first is we should not pluck the leaves and flowers of plant for fun. Okay, for fun we should not cut or we should not pluck the leaves and flowers of any plant. Next, we should use both sides of a paper before throwing it. See, if we will use both sides of any single paper, what will happen? Means we will use less number of pages, right? Next, we should use cloth napkins and bags in the place of paper bags. If we will use cloth napkins or bags, then we can avoid paper bags. Next, we should borrow, share or donate books. Now see, all these points are just pointing on that if we will follow these points, what happens in some factories where people make papers. How they make papers? They make papers by cutting trees. If we will use less number of paper, so those people also they will make less number of paper. If they will make less number of paper, then they will cut less number of trees. Okay, so somehow we can protect our plants. Now here, new words, these absorb nutrients and seeds we have done already. So from tomorrow we'll start our exercise work. Okay.